interrupt this program to bring you this important announcement. This is an emergency missing child alert, Levi's call, Georgia's Amber Alert. The Snellville Police Department and the Georgia Bureau of Investigation are looking for a black Hyundai Sonata tag number CCK 1478. On April 28, 2022, Valerie Molina, Hispanic female, age 4, was abducted by Alfred Molina, age 24, a Hispanic male, 5 feet 10 inches tall, around 200 pounds, and was last seen at 1848 Inglewood Way, Snellville, Georgia, and is believed to be in extreme danger. If you have any information on the whereabouts of Valerie Molina or a black Hyundai Sonata, tag number CCK 1478, please dial 911. The public can also provide information to the GBI tip line at 1-800-597-TIPS and or the See and Send app for iPhone and Android. Overtime.